like in the best on us as a students. For the last things is like after having having all of the stuff like having a car, having a wife or houses or having money or something like that. They want to have a kids or even the child or even the big family. So sometimes it's gonna be it's very hard to get it because not all of the humankind can get this stuff. So yeah, that's some people perceptions in having this big family is a success. So like even though they can go anywhere, so they have family as a big family. That's very happy for us. So let me emphasize, let me get the conclusions. What's the happy things for me is best.